Hello. Today let's talk about two nice devices on the market. Yeah, and the one side we have the Apple iPhone 17 Pro from 2025 and on the other side the Pixel 8, the Google Pixel 8. Is it worth upgrading from the AI Classic to the Apple's flagship? Maybe. We will see, of course. 2 years difference in age. But thousands of you are facing this exact question. Should I keep my older but still great Pixel? Or do I need to upgrade to the latest, fastest iPhone 17 Pro? Let's compare the key points: design, display, performance, camera, and of course, the price. Because Apple is really high price, of course. Yeah, let's start with design. The Pixel 8 is compact, feels great, but features the classic visor camera bar. The new iPhone 17 Pro comes with an unibody aluminum chassis and the new slimmer camera plateau. It has gotten a slightly thicker to accommodate the new vapor chamber cooling, like me. A clear signal for more performance, of course. And it comes with more performance, of course, too. When it comes to the display, the iPhone makes the leap. 6.3 inches, ProMotion 120 Hz, and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. This is the brightest display Apple has ever built before. It's protected by ceramic shield too. The Pixel 8 6.2 inches 120 Hz accurate display was top notch, but the 3000 nits of the iPhone 17 Pro is the true game changer, especially of course in outdoor use. Performance, baby. Here the words are diverged. The Pixel 8 runs on the Tensor G3 chip, fantastic for Google's AI features, but in pure CPU performance, it can hardly compete with the new Apple A19 Pro chip. The A19 Pro is built in the 3nm processor and supported by 12GB of RAM, random access memory. That's a new performance standard. For hardcore gaming and professional video editing, the iPhone, of course, is the winner. But the Pixel counters with the software. The AI, Magic Editor, Best Take, or the Magic Eraser. This is Google's playground, baby. However, the Apple is catching up fast. With the iOS 26 and the A19 Pro, maybe we finally see Apple's one-device generative AI. Maybe. Not so far, I think. The iPhone 17 Pro isn't just fast. It's finally smart in Google's sense, maybe too. In a close view. The Pixel 8 with the camera system makes a fantastic dual-camera system with 50 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The pictures are typical Google, punchy, great colors, excellent night vision. The iPhone 17 Pro, it goes all in. A triple 48 megapixel system, main camera, ultra-wide, and new telephoto, all 48 megapixel. Wow. And the telephoto comes with up to 8x optical quality zoom. Whoa. And super zoom, baby. 8x optical quality of the iPhone 17 is really cool. It's a clear advantage over the digital zoom of the base of the Pixel 8. The Apple also continues to dominate in video with features like 4K, up to 120 frames, and the new Apple Lock 2. And the selfie camera system is really nice too. On the iPhone, it hasn't been upgraded to 80 megapixels. That's a significant increase, closing the gap with the 10.8 megapixel on the camera of the Pixel 8. And software philosophy, of course. It runs pure Android and shines with 7 years of software updates. That is a massive selling point. The iPhone 17 Pro has iOS 26, the closed, perfectly tuned Apple ecosystem. The decision here is, of course, a matter of preferences. Freedom and Google AI, or the seamless high-performance Apple universe. That is your decision. So back to the question, it is the worst to upgrade from the Pixel 8 to the iPhone 17 Pro. You should upgrade if you need absolute top performance for gaming and video production. If you want the best zoom and the best video quality on the market so far. If you want to enter to stay within the Apple ecosystem, of course. But you can stay or get an Pixel 8 if you want to save money and keep an excellent camera experience with the great AI features. And you value the 7 years software guarantee and the pure Android experience. And the new 3000 nits brighter and ultimate performance aren't worth the extra cost because they're a big bunch of extra cost. Both phones are phenomenal, but the iPhone 17 Pro shows how technology has evolved in 2 years. Now it's up to you. Write in the comment, please. Is the Pixel 8 or the 17 Pro your favorite? Or another phone? And thanks for watching. And please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. Hope to see you again on my channel. So.